Hello everyone. Welcome to the tutorial on continuous futures charts on Fire's Web. Fire's Web introduces continuous futures charts across all the listed futures contracts on NSE and MCX. Traders can access continuous futures data for all segments including equities, currencies and commodities. Let me first explain what continuous futures charts mean. A continuous futures chart shows you the real-time and historical near-month futures data for that particular instrument. When you load a continuous futures chart on particular script, you will be able to see the futures data for the current month and historical months. But the difference is that the previous month's data is replaced with the previous near month contracts instead of the same series. This helps you get an integrated view of historical charts. Ours is the best known trading platform for this feature. Now, let us see how to apply continuous futures charts through the Fire's Web platform. Log in to your Fire's Web account. Now, suppose you want to view the Nifty future chart. On the top right hand corner in the search box, type Nifty. And a drop down will appear with 4 options. That is, all types, stocks, futures, options, ETFs and indices. Click on the Futures tab and it will show Nifty future current month followed by next month and the far month. For example, if you load the Nifty near month futures, you will get data of November series and all the historical near month series month-wise starting from February 2018. In short, it is not a single futures contract but rather a combination of previous month near month futures contracts to create a long-term chart. These charts eliminate gaps and give traders a clear picture of the price action. As you can see, the long-term chart is made up of previous near-month contracts arranged in the order in the script. The dates shown in the x-axis represent the starting day of each contract. For instance, the November 2020 contract becomes a near-month contract after the previous one expires. In equity, F&O, it happens on the last Thursday of every month. How continuous futures charts are useful? Continuous futures charts combine previous and current near-month contracts and reduce the price gaps which are caused due to time premium in futures. After joining them together, it creates an artificial price series which is helpful in forecasting trends because the charts are smoother. These charts are most useful in scripts where the underlying price is not readily available. We hope this was useful and it helps you get a quick understanding on how to look into continuous future charts and trade more efficiently. Thanks for watching.